just 3 days, you will have a liposuction effect on your body. This recipe is so powerful that you will lose weight quickly. For this recipe, you need a green apple. The green apple, thanks to its high content of malic acid, allows you to detoxify your liver and kidneys. In a saucepan, we will add the apple. 2 cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon has an anti-inflammatory effect on your abdomen, and 300 milliliters water. Finally, a spoonful of turmeric. Turmeric literally boosts weight loss and prevents you from gaining weight. Now we are going to leave this boiling for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes have passed, we proceed to sneak it in. You are going to have this drink 30 minutes before going to sleep. This drink will help you if your mission is to lose weight quickly. Thanks to the compounds of our ingredients. In which country or city has this video found you? If you like this recipe, kindly drop a yes, I will try it. Thank you very much.